how to request a human review on a copyright claim. So the first thing that we'll do, I'll demonstrate. I came to my video here. I saw that it has limited. We say this video may unlimited or no ads revenue due to content identity as not suitable for advertisers. It remains fully playable and eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. So I was able to try see why I got a copy claim on this video. It said copyright protected content found, but it does not affect your shorts. It says that now I want to take you to tell tell you what is a copyright claim. Copyright claim happens to be a copyright claim refers to either a copyright removal request or content ID, which has two different ways to assert copyright ownership on YouTube. So what happens is that how to avoid a copyright claim is just use your content, use your own music, and in YouTube there are always free copyright claims videos that you can use that you will not have conflicts with the owner of the content ID. The content ID has if you use somebody's content without their permission, they will go on YouTube, get a tool where they will be able to claim the content identity. So what happens if you get a copyright claim? So what happens when you get, depending on the copyright owner content settings, content ID can either block from being viewed, they can block the content from being viewed, monetize content by running ads on it, and sometimes sharing revenue with the uploader, and track ownership statistics on the content. So that is what if somebody takes content from me, then they upload it in their YouTube. These are the three things that can happen. That I'm able, once I go in the YouTube studio and claim the content ID, I'm able to, the owner of the content is able to block content from being viewed, monetize content by running ads on it, and sometimes sharing revenue with the uploader, track the ownership statistics on the content. So for this one, I will request a live person from YouTube to come and review the content. I'll say that ad suitability. You can see the ad suitability has a yellow mark. It means that if it for this content that have green, the video is being monetized. But for these ones that you see that it has yellow, there is a challenge in monetizing it. It tells me the video may unlimited all, no ads due to the content identity as not suitable for most advertisers. It remains fully playable and eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premiums. Once your content has been classified by YouTube algorithm to be limited, most of the advertisers will not love your content, and they will select once they are paying for the content, they will come and request, say that any person who has issues with monetizing me with copyright claim, we really do not opt to do business with them. So we request a human preview. Once we request here, if you is certain that the video, the thumbnail, the metadata meets YouTube advertisement guideline, you can request a human review. We prioritize reviews based on the number of signals. So we'll come here and request for review. And once we request a review, a human from the YouTube, because as per now it's the algorithm that has classified the video to be limited. It means that three things are happening. That the owner of the content, in case I've used content from another person, can block the content from being viewed, can monetize the content by running ads on it, and sometimes sharing revenue with the uploader, track the viewership statistics of the content. I've requested a human person to review. Thank you for sticking with me. This is how to request a human review once you get a copyright claim. Thank you.